Welcome to our YouTube channel. First of all, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please hit that subscribe button below. We would greatly appreciate your support. We're going to also ask that you give us a like if you haven't done so already. So on with what we're doing today, we're going to do an unboxing of the DFE-35 US. I'll show you the sticker here. You can see it there, DFE-35 US. That's the RF DFE-35 US. So we're going to open it up and show you what this is for, but primarily if you're doing refurbishing or if you are doing a screen protector application using the Forward machine, for example, or Protection Pro machine. We actually offer both. This is a must-have, so on with it. Let's go. Here's your little handy blade. The box is not very huge at all. It is a small device. We'll show you what it does. There we can see. Very nice. I'm going to pull the cable out first. It's got a standard adaptive cable. Depends on where you're at, so make sure, as you saw, this is the US plug. If you're in Europe, you're going to get the European plug. You're going to connect the end into the adapter. Okay, I'm going to set this to the side, and we're going to pull this out of the box and get rid of our box. There it goes. Let's get the plastic out of here. And there it is. So before we plug it in and show you how it works and what it does, we want to show you the back of it, because it's got filtration in here, so you might be able to see it in there. The white filter material is designed to allow the air to go in this way and then come out this way. So I wouldn't recommend that you put it up against the wall. You want to have a little bit of space, maybe about 2 inches of space between the wall and the unit, so you can allow the air to go around it this way and then push its way to the front. So the next thing we're going to do is connect it. This is the connector that's going to go onto the side here on the bottom. You see that there? So let's put it in there. Go ahead and connect it to our source. So let's first of all see how big it really is. It's small and compact. It's 11 inches this way. At the top you got just under 6 inches, and your height is also just under 6 inches. So we mentioned that because I'm going to read some of the features on this equipment. It's got a lighting strip, so you can see that. It goes from white light to green and then to UV. So what does all this mean? If you are needing just good white lighting and you're working in your space, this is what you want to do. You want to use your white light. If you are looking at your phone and want to see if there's any spots left, if you're doing refurbishing, or if you're applying film using Protection Pro, for example, or the Forward machine film cutter, this is how you can tell if there's any dust or debris on the actual phone or tablet. And then for sterilization, this is also good, and this also helps to see if Like when you're curing your phone and it's got glue in it, you can just put it in there and let it cure that way as well. There are a total of 1, 2, and 3 fans in the back. So as you are using it to, for example, if you want to just make sure that there's no dust on it and you want to have positive air pressure going this way, you want to go ahead and use your green light so you can see if there's any dust on the phone, and then you want to turn on your fan. Listen how loud it is. That's actually a good thing because you're getting positive air pressure. You can feel the air here. Another feature is you have an ionizer. So this right there, when you turn on the ionizer, what it's going to do is if you have any static, it's going to get rid of it. So that's another feature you can use when dealing with small electronics. Getting a closer look, we can see that we have an iPhone 6s Plus screen. It is one of the bigger, wider screens out there, and it fits in there comfortably. So this will also fit most tablets in there. And let's go and turn on the white light, and you can see how it would allow you to get a close-up and brighter view of something you're repairing. And the green light will also tell you where the little debris is on there if you're trying to get the phone or the screen cleaned up, if you're doing refurbishing, or if you're applying screen film protection from the Protection Pro machine or even the forward film machine as well. Then if you're wanting something to cure, you got your ultraviolet light in there. It's pointing downward, so it's safe for the eyes, but it's also a good sterilization way if you want to sterilize the phone for a minute on each side and then hand it back over to your customer and use it as a promotion to show them that you're doing UV sanitization during the time of the virus, for example. So, and then of course you got the fan, which as you can hear, it's very strong. I mean, you can feel the air way out here where the camera's at. So it's very strong, positive airflow. And of course the ionizer, if you're dealing with live small electronics, this is also going to help with static. Static is the enemy of anyone working on small electronics. So it's a nice featured machine. We're going to post the links at the bottom, and you can see the fan blades down there turning when the fans turn on and when they turn off. So very cool machine. Hopefully you can click on the link and find it. And remember, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thank you for your support.